Okay, here we go. What should you know? What should you be preparing for? So, chapter 2. Main topics in chapter 2. We have linear functions. We were introduced to regression. And we have systems. Bless you. Those are the three main concepts of chapter 2. I've divided my paper into halves, and so this is what I'm going to do. I have my concepts here. On this side, what are some things that within each of these I would think you need to know, keeping in mind that I'm the one making the test. Hint, hint, hint. Okay. Obviously, perhaps, that's the model. If you're ever asked for the model, from here, slope, initial value, what's the meaning of? What's the meaning of slope? What's the meaning of initial value? And they are always in the context of that problem. I'll leave it to you to go further. Okay? I'm not going to sit here and write every little thing for you, but meaning of slope, you have to keep in mind that that's change in output over change in input. And when explaining it, it's usually how much input changes for 1 unit of output. Okay. So that's the first one. For the second one, regression. Really didn't see too many issues with this. If you're using Desmos, it's, bless you, it's that formula. Remember, you do your table. Most people, like I say, that one doesn't seem to be a big issue. Just remember that regression is an estimate. It's a guess. It's your best guess. It's not the exact. So don't get too hung up there. Third one. These are the ones that have systems. So you have 2 or more equations. And then you solve them. By graphing, by substitution, by elimination, whatever method floats your boat. Just 1 second. Okay? So you're given a system. If you want to put down some examples that we've talked about, this would be like buying the computers. Mixing the trail mix, grams of protein, grams of fiber, or ounces, how many ounces, and getting enough grams of, that was another problem we did. Students on the van, students on the bus was another problem we did. Translating words, vocabulary, okay, that type of problem. Okay, one more thing and then I'll answer that question. Linear functions, let's see, regression was in 2.3, systems is in 2.4, and then this is 2.1 and 2.2.